What is up, guys? Today we're on our 53rd day of doing the daily leetcode challenge, and today's task is isomorphic string. We're given two strings s and t, and we have to determine if they're isomorphic. An isomorphic string is that if the characters in the first string can be replaced to get to the second string, that means it's isomorphic. And we have a constraints. They're the same length, so it should be pretty simple. First thing we're gonna need is two vectors. Let's make them of int type. Let's call it st1, and we have to initialize it with zeros. Copy the same thing once and make it for string 2. Okay, so now we iterate to the string. They're all the same size, so s.size works and t.size works as well. And we increment I. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to check if the time element is met in string 1 more than in string 2. Okay, so we check if st1 of si is different than st2 of ti, and we return false. And here we just have to get the index, the number of the index and keep it in the arrays. S of I equals to I plus 1. And the same thing for this. And we return true. I'm going to go quick and explain it in a second. Okay, we're facing an error here. Why is it an error? String s of I. Oh, that's just a st. My bad. Okay, so the idea behind this. Open up Paint and let's go to foo and bar. We have foo and bar. Okay, first iteration vectors on empty. And for the string f, for the letter f, as you can see here, the logic is we check if the position that is f and the position that is b are different. They're zeros at the start. So 0 equals to 0. We go here. We say st1 of f is equal to 1. So we have f equals to 1 and b equals to 1. Then on the second iteration we check if O has been met before. No, it's not, and A is not met either. So O, first of all, they're not equal. So 0 equals to 0. We pass. Then we increment the values. So O equals to 2 and B equals to 2. Next iteration, third iteration, that's where it fails. Because O here is already 1. And is it different than 0? Which is the time we have met R. Yes, it is. So we return false. Basically, we compare the times a letter has been met in the first string, and if it's been met more times than in the string B, that means there's an error here and we have to return false. Submitting it now. And it's working perfectly fine. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video.